Dear A, I know you think you were my least favorite student. In lots of ways, you're right. But in the ways that matter, you were the most important student I had. I was supposed to get every last student up to grade level. I heard of other teachers who had done it, and I wanted so badly to do that for all of you. Especially you, because I knew you had a hard time in school. I thought if I was just a good enough teacher, I could find a way to get you excited about learning. I'm writing you this letter to say sorry and thank you. I'm sorry I didn't find a way. I didn't understand how years of struggling in school would leave you bored and frustrated. It explains why you spent so much time talking, avoiding your work, and acting out. I want to know what could have made it different for you. A stronger preschool program, more access to resources at home. What about more role models to show you what education could do for you? You might think I left teaching to forget about kids like you, but I think about you more than anyone else. When I admit that you were my least favorite student, what I really mean is that in my own way, I'm angry that you didn't have all of those things, just like you must have been angry too, in your own way. And when I tell you I'm sorry, I mean I'm sorry I couldn't keep that frustration separate from my duty to you as a teacher. You showed me what the real issues are beyond the classroom. In biology class, when we were learning about the pancreas, I asked you and the other students, who knows someone with diabetes? Almost everyone raised their hand. I knew before I started teaching that East LA has high rates of diseases like diabetes, but you made me care about it like I never did before. I may not be the person you needed as a teacher, but I promise to dedicate myself to creating an East LA where not every kid raises their hand to that question. You inspired me to pursue public health. I can't give you everything I wish you had, but I think I can do a lot to make sure that kids like you are healthier. I understand if you don't accept this apology, but I want you to know that you left a bigger mark on me than any other student. I left the classroom so that I could devote more time to you. Most sincerely, Mr. Beckerman.